Hello and welcome. Today we will make basil twist mojito. We will need rum, sparkling water, sugar, fresh basil, and fresh mint.
The first step, we will prepare the lime for take care of the juice, okay? Then we cut the lime in half because half a lime is enough for this cocktail.
First, we will add 2 spoons of sugar, and then we will squeeze the lime inside.
Okay, it's very important for your cocktail. We have a fresh ingredient, fresh lime juice, everything fresh. Okay.
And also the fresh herbs. So we will need 2 sprigs of mint, and then 5 large leaves of basil for the basil twist.
Then we put everything in your hand, slap it. It will start more flavor for your cocktail. It give you more taste, okay?
And then we, of course, will add the rum. We will use 1 shot. If you don't have a shot glass to measure, you can fill up the cup of the bottle 5 times and you will get the same amount.
Okay. And now, before without ice, we need to mix our ingredients there because without ice it's more easy to mix it the proper way. Okay.
After that, we will fill up about half of the glass with sparkling water.
And then we'll mix again, but now slow and soft way, and up and down, right, to keep the gas inside the glass.
And then we can fill the rest of the glass with ice.
Yes, put a lot of ice because this will keep your cocktail cold for more time.
For decoration, we can use the leaves of basil or mint or a piece of lime.
And now your cocktail is done. Saúde!
Na zdraví! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.
Exactly. Bye.